Hello store owners! Today, I'll show you how to restrict your wholesale customers to specific payment gateways at checkout. First, I'll map the gateways I want to allow for a wholesale role, and then I'll log in as a wholesale customer to see those exact methods on the checkout page. Let's dive in. Let's head into the wholesale settings and open the Payment Gateway tab. In the Wholesale Role and Payment Gateway section, I'll first choose my wholesale role. I'll pick Wholesale Customer. Next, I'll open the payment gateways list and select the ones I want to allow. Let's give them direct bank transfer and also cash on delivery. Now I'll click Add Mapping and that rule is saved. From now on, this role will only ever see these two gateways at checkout. Everything else is hidden. Now, let's switch over to the customer's side. I'm logging in here as one of my wholesale customers, so we can see the checkout exactly the way they do. Now I'll add a product to my cart, then jump over to the checkout page. And here we go. Take a look at the payment options. My wholesale customer only sees direct bank transfer and cash on delivery. The exact two gateways I mapped, and every other method is hidden. And that's how you control which payment methods your wholesale customers can use. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.